Mayor Filner started coming by my desk several times a day. He would take my hand and talk about us getting together the next weekend. I knew he was engaged, and I felt very shocked and upset that he would think I would go out with him. On the day that Mayor Filner grabbed me and kissed me, I was so surprised. I went home and cried. I just felt so sad. I was just not sure how to take this contact, but it was very disturbing to me. On the day that Mayor Filner came by my desk and asked me if I thought he could go 8 hours in one night, I was shocked that he would say that to me. On July 12th, the day after I saw the first media coverage, when the mayor walked by my desk and motioned for me to be quiet, I was blown away. He had said in the news release that he was sorry for the way he treated his female staff. Then the next day, he said he had done nothing wrong. Mayor Filner, I am a mother, a grandmother, and a great-grandmother. I have 3 sons, 4 grandsons, and 2 great-grandsons. As our mayor, you should be, but are not, a role model for any of them.